Hi, yo, Trace here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Here I want to talk about, you ever hear that song? Most of you may not have, but there was a song a long time ago. They may sing it sometime these days called You Got the Whole World in Your Hands. It used to go, I got the whole world in my hands, something like that, right? You have the whole world in your hand. Don't know what to do with it. Don't know how to live in it. Really know how to live in it. You have many people doing many things here on Mother Earth. Your will be done. Whatever it is you choose to carry out, so it is. And I can't help but think that somewhere, because I know I have this knowing that it's all divinely ordered. So it's all, there is a significance to all things. And so you are given tools and different things in order to navigate Mother Earth. And when we come up against adversity or anything comes up against anything, and we don't have all of those things that other people may have to win their battles and all of that, I can't help but think that perhaps we may need to find what it is that is gifted to us to evolve the experience, to grow through the experience. And I always talk about go within, go within, go within. Because I know that which is within is all power, is the Almighty. It is all that is and will ever be. That's the only energy that exists here. And as above, so below. As within, so without. So perhaps we need to go within and learn to master what has been gifted to us. Now I know I seem a little all over. Just stay with me. Just hang with me for a minute or two. We have all power within. And then the outside powers has all powers without. An innate power that's greater than any man, woman's mind can fathom. When we say, and it's written everywhere, when we say the power of the tongue, the power of the heart, the power of the mind, the power of the word, the power of thought, the power of imagination. Let me say that. The power of, it may be in another order, but I say it again. The power of your tongue, the power of your heart, the power of your mind, the mind, the power of your thoughts, the power of your imagination. All power, hear me good, people, all power is within. It's gifted to us. There isn't anything on this earth and beyond other than that which created all that is. and the laws that are put in place that can control that aspect of you unless you relinquish it, unless you give it over. I'm here to say this. That power works. It's real. It's real, it's real, and it works. I don't care what physical things people have. It's not about what they intend to do with whatever they have. You have the ball is in your court. Let's put it this way. The ball is in the court of whatever court you choose. It's your perception of what's going on around you. It's your belief in what's going on around you. You have power within you, like I said before in my other video, that can shut it all down. Trust and know in the word of the Most High, who has said or left word for us, let's say that all these things have been given unto us. So what are we playing with? Why are we playing with things when we have the whole world in our hands? We are choosing to tinker with. We are choosing to tinker with the BS. And let me just say, it's a little noisy, but I will continue. You are all greatness. You are all greatness. All power is with you. All power is with you. Call on it. Speak to it. Be it. The power is in your mind. The power is in your tongue, in your mouth, in your words. In your heart. You don't have to tinker with stuff. Unless you choose to. Quick word. Much love. Keep the vibe on high. Come away from things that disrupt your nervous system. Give yourself a break from that. Allow yourself to heal from that. Inner healing is going to begin with you just going within and dealing with that and communing with that which is within. The temple, this is the temple of the Most High. Go into the temple. Go into the kingdom of the Most High. And remember the tools that is a part of your being. Remember the tools that are a part of your being. Your mind, your heart, your tongue. Your ability to imagine. Your ability to call forth, manifest, create any destiny, any reality you choose. Shift first within. And remember, you don't need anything external for all the power that's within to shut anything down you so desire. Believe that, know that, feel that, be that. Much love. Choice here. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me for another session of Choice Spirit. Please share this. Share this. Because we can use all we can get right about now. We can use all we can get right about now. Much love. Tracy.